If Gcash won't open on your device, here are several steps you can follow to troubleshoot and fix the issue. 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, Wi-Fi or mobile data. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with opening the app. 2. Clear app cache and data, Android. Sometimes corrupted cache or data can prevent the app from opening. Go to Settings greater than Apps or App Manager. Find and tap on Gcash. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. 3. Update the Gcash app. An outdated version of the app may cause problems. Go to Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. Search for Gcash and check if there is an update available. If an update is available, tap Update. 4. Uninstall and reinstall the app. If updating doesn't work, try reinstalling the app. Uninstall the Gcash app from your device. Go to the Google Play Store, Android, or App Store, iOS, and search for Gcash. Reinstall the app. 5. Contact Gcash support. If the problem persists, you can reach out to Gcash customer support for further assistance. You can contact them via their help section in the app if accessible. Reach out through their official website or their official Facebook page. If you need help with any specific step, let me know.